Hey there, curious minds. Today we are diving into the fascinating worlds of the Internet of Things or IoT. But before we begin, I have a question for you. Have you ever wondered how your everyday objects could become smarter and more connected? Well, that's exactly what IoT is all about, and we are about to explore it together. The Internet of Things or IoT is like giving everyday objects a superpower, the power to connect to the internet and share data with other devices like your toaster, your watch, even your fridge, all take into each other and to you, making your life easier and more efficient. Let's talk about application to get better understand. Smart thermostat. Take for instance a smart thermostat. It's not just a thermostat. It's your personal temperature wizard. This little device learns your preferences, whether you like it cozy or cool, and adjusts the temperature accordingly. And get this, you can control it from your phone, even when you are away. Imagine coming home to the perfect temperature every time, without lifting a finger. Smart fitness tracker. These sleek gadgets are like personal trainer on your wrist. They do so much more than just tell time. They track your heart rate, count your steps, and monitor your sleep patterns, all while syncing that data to your mobile phone. With the fitness tracker by your side, you can stay motivated, set goals, and crush them one step at a time. Hey guys, what's the most exciting IoT device you have encountered? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Ever dreamed of having a personal assistant at home? Well, meet Alexa and Google Home. These smart home assistants listen to your commands and can do everything from playing your favorite tunes to controlling your lights, all with just a voice command. Like you are cooking up a storm in the kitchen and you need to dim the light. Just ask and they will do the rest. It's like having a helping hand whenever you need it. Smart cars. Now let's hit the road with the smart car. These modern marvels have sensors that keep an eye on your car's performance, alerting you to any issues before they become a problem. Plus, they can connect to your phone for navigation, music streaming, and even parking assistance. Imagine cruising down the highway knowing your car has your back, whether it's keeping you safe and finding the perfect parking spot. Smart agriculture. Lastly, let's head to the farm. IoT is revolutionizing agriculture with precision farming. Farmers use sensors to monitor soil condition in real time, helping them optimize irrigation and crop yield for a more sustainable harvest. Like a farmer in the heartland using technology to feed the world one crop at a time. With IoT by their side, they can grow more with less, ensuring a brighter future for all. So there you have it. IoT is all about making our world smarter, more efficient and more connected. From our homes to our cars to our farms, IoT is shaping the way we live and work. And the best part, we are just scratching the surface of what's possible. Thank you guys joining us. Don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below and be sure to subscribe more videos on all things tech.